3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolizali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Carlo in here, and today we're going to look at my new Tempus Fugit MOV West Germany, Westminster, Germany grandfather clock. This, we don't know if it works yet, because the person said no time to test if it worked, but we've got one hook missing, but I'll ask her if she's left it up there, and well, if it doesn't work, then I've got this guy called Trevor, who's my older sister's friend, and he's good with fixing clocks like this, so he'll probably know what to do. But it's got weights there, we've got them there, we've got these two bits there and that, and we've got the pendulum here, and in here we can actually see the inside on the workings. I'm going to hopefully we can get it chiming and working once we've done the weights and stuff, but you can get one of them doing it. One of these needs to be, see, I'll let you hear it. So it's one of these types. That's the only one I know that'll go in. And I'll show you. Need to pull it a bit more. Then I'll let you see actually when I do this inside of it. Here's what it looks like inside. Yeah, we've with Dan the ringer doing this, I need to try and make sure. Yeah, looks like they're stuck now, Dan the ringer. Dan the ringer. Do not do that, just keep it somewhere down here. The chains keep getting stuck. And these guys out. Me and Dad doing are gonna try attempt to get upstairs. And actually, let me see if this is the. Looks like that's the thing for the hour chime. So it chimes, let's see. Nah, that's to silence the hour ones. But let's see this. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, they need to be adjusted, I think, the hammers. I don't know if they do or not, but I'll find out. If I can't find out on my own, I'll ask Trevor. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.